Okay, welcome to third semester students. Now we are continuing Laplace transform chapter, and we have discussed in our last class, that is some formula of Laplace transform. Means those are Laplace of 1 is 1 by s, Laplace of e to the power at equals to 1 by s minus 1. Now here these are the proofs. We have to know how Laplace of 1 equals to 1 by s. As we know, Laplace of f of t equals to integration 0 to infinite e to the power minus st f of t dt. Okay, so here f of t equals to 1 we have to apply. So that implies Laplace of 1 equal to integration 0 to infinite e to the power minus st into 1 dt. 1 means f of t is 1. That equals to e to the power minus st integration is e to the power minus st by minus s from 0 to infinite. That equal to minus 1 by s from 1 by e to the power infinite minus 1 by e to the power 0, means applying upper limit minus applying lower limit 0 in place of t. That equals to minus 1 by s e to 1 by e to the power infinite, that is equals to 0 minus 1, that equals to 1 by s. So Laplace of 1 equals to 1 by s. Okay, this is the proof of Laplace of 1 equals to 1 by s. Let us start. Laplace of e to the power at equals to 1 by s minus a. You have to remember as a formula, and these are the procedure how Laplace of e to the power at equals to 1 by s minus a. Again, this is your f of t. We will apply this function in your definition, means integration 0 to infinite e to the power minus st f of t dt, and here f of t is e to the power at, that's why we are writing e to the power at dt, and both are e to the power, so e to the power minus taking common, it will becomes minus of s minus a into t dt. And we know e to the power at, integration e to the power at is e to the power at by a. So here constant is minus of s minus a is your constant, and this constant will be divided. So its integration formula is e to the power minus of s minus a t whole divided by minus of s minus a from 0 to infinite. That equals to minus 1 by s minus a, keeping outside, and this term by applying infinite it will become 0, and by applying 0 it will becomes 1. So that equals to minus 1 minus means plus 1 by s minus a. Similarly, we can remember as a formula Laplace of e to the power at equal to 1 by s minus a. And we have 7 formulas are there. For example, Laplace of 1, Laplace of e to the power at, Laplace of t to the power n, Laplace of sin at, Laplace of cos at, Laplace of sin h at, Laplace of cos h at. So all are can be obtained through this formula, through this definition. So similarly, you can prove all the formula. Okay, but you have to remember as a formula. Then these are the example. Find the Laplace transform of cos 2t, sin 4t, t to the power 4, e to the power 2t. As you know, cos 2t means you have to remember from Laplace of cos at equals to how much? Okay, Laplace of cos at, here these are the formula. Sin at is a by s square plus a square, but cos at is s by s square plus a square. Just these are the difference between sin at and cos at Laplace. And here a by means this constant you have to write in the numerator, a by, and cos means s will be written in the numerator, s by, and the denominator both are same, s square plus a square. Okay, so a is here, so you write a square. Suppose 2 is here, you write 2 square. Clear? Similarly, so for this example, cos 2t means your a is 2. Okay, so Laplace of cos 2t equals to formula s by s square plus a square, and a is 2 here, so 2 square, so that equals to s by s square plus 4. Okay, similarly sin 4t, sin 4t means Laplace of 8 sin 8 equals to a by s square plus a square, so here a is 4, so 4 by s square plus 4 square, that equals to 4 by s square plus 16. Then again another example is t to the power 4, Laplace of t to the power 4. Let us go for this example. T to the power equals to how much? This is the formula. Laplace of t to the power n means that is n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. Clear? So whenever n is integer, so you write that factorial by s to the power n plus 1. But when n is your any fraction, suppose 1 by 2, 1 by 3 like this, you have to convert this n factorial as gamma of n plus 1, because we know the fraction factorial cannot be obtained. Negative value of factorial cannot be obtained. Only the positive integer should be written in n factorial. Okay, so if n is fraction, you have to convert as gamma of n plus 1. So here in this quotient t to the power 4, t to the power 4 is n is 4. So no problem will be there. T to the power 4 means 4 factorial by s to the power 4 plus 1, because your formula is t to the power n equals to n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. So here n is 4, that equals to 4 factorial by s to the power 4 plus 1, that equal to 4 factorial. Its value can be obtained by using this sequence 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by s to the power 4 plus 1 is 5, that equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24 by s to the power 5. So like this you can obtain any power of t. Its Laplace can be obtained by using this formula, n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. Finished? Then next example is e to the power at. E to the power at, as we know, e to the power at Laplace is 1 by s minus a. So here a is 2. Okay, so here a is 2. So formula is Laplace of e to the power 2t means 1 by s minus 2. Okay, so then there are some properties of this Laplace transform. First property is named as linearity property. If a, b, c be any constants and f, g, h any function of t, then Laplace of a f of t plus b g of t minus c into h of t, that can be written as here a, b, c are constant, and we know this constant keeping outside, so it can be written as a into Laplace of f of t, then plus b keeping outside, b into Laplace of g of t minus c into Laplace of h of t. Okay, so example, find Laplace of e to the power 2t plus 4t to the power q minus 2 sin 3t plus 3 cos 3t. Okay, so here how can we apply this linearity property? Linearity property says that your Laplace can be entered into each function. Means there are 4 functions are there, you can see. One is e to the power, another is t to the power, another sin at, another cos at. Okay, so you can write Laplace of e to the power 2t, Laplace of 4tq, Laplace of 2 sin 3t, Laplace of 3 cos 3t. Okay, so here there will be no constant in the coefficient of e to the power 2t, so direct write Laplace of e to the power 2t, and 4 is constant here keeping outside, plus 4 into Laplace of tq. 2 is constant keeping outside, minus 2 into Laplace of sin 3t. 3 is a constant keeping outside, it will be written as plus 3 into Laplace of cos 3t. Okay, then come to value, that equals to 1 by e to the power 2t, 1 by s minus 2. 4 into tq means n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. So here n is 3, so 3 factorial by s to the power 3 plus 1, minus 2 into sin 3t means sin 80 formula is a by s square plus a square. So a is 3, so that equals to 3 by s square plus 3 square. Then plus 3 into cos formula s by s square plus a square, and a is 3, so s square plus 3 square. Then these are the value, you can simplify. Next line, that equals to 1 by s minus 2 plus 4 into 3 factorial means 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 into 4, that is 24. 24 by s to the power 4 minus 6 by s square plus 9 plus 3s by s square plus 9. Okay, so these are the answer. So here we learn how can we apply linearity property for such type of example. Means we can apply Laplace in each term, and any constant will be present with any function we can keeping outside. Okay, so this is your linearity property. Then come to fast shifting property. This is a very important property for your third semester students. If Laplace of f of t is denoted as f bar s, means Laplace of f of t, its answer always in terms of s. Okay, so it will be written as f bar s. Then Laplace of e to the power at f of t, means your function will be multiplied with e to the power at, that equals to f bar, your s will be changed as s minus a. Okay, this is a very important property. Okay, so here there are the example you can compare with your formula and your shifting formula. These are known as shifting formula. Okay, fast shifting formula, and also there is also second shifting formula which you will study in your degree level. Okay, but in diploma level only you have to study fast shifting formula. Okay, so you know Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. If 1 will be multiplied with e to the power at, shifting means function will be multiplied with e to the power at. At that time your s will be written as s minus a. So here Laplace of 1 is 1 by s, here s is present. If we will multiply e to the power at into 1, so that is again e to the power at and at. So 1 Laplace is 1 by s, means s will be written as s minus a. Okay, because here constant is a. Similarly, Laplace of t to the power n, as we know it's a formula in Laplace transform, that equals to n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. If that function is multiplied with e to the power at, then this s will be changed as s minus a. So you can look here, e to the power at into t to the power n equal to n factorial by s minus a whole to the power n plus 1. Okay, means s can be written as s minus a. Only these are the difference. Okay, so sin bt, that is b by s square plus b square, and its shifting property means e to the power at is multiplied. Sin bt formula, here s is present, other things will be written as usual. Your s will be changed as s minus a here, s minus a whole square plus b square, because e to the power at is multiplying. Okay, similarly cos bt, s by s square plus b square, and the shifting formula e to the power 18 into cos bt equals to s minus a by s minus a whole square plus b square. But here in numerator and in the denominator s are present, that's why s we are writing s minus a in numerator and in denominator. Okay, then Laplace of sin hbt. hbt formula is b by s square minus b square. Formula is minus. Okay, when hyperbolic function will come, so at that time you have to know, you have to remember that b by s square minus b square. And the shifting formula means whenever Laplace of e to the power at into sin hbt equal to b by s will be changed as s minus a whole square minus b square. Here a means s minus a. If a in place of a you will write e to the power 2t, we write s minus 2. If you will write e to the power 3t, we will write s minus 3. Okay, so likewise you can replace your s as s minus a, and that a will be present in the power of e, that is the coefficient of t. Okay, then next formula is Laplace of cos hbt, that equals to s by s square minus b square. Then its shifting formula can be written as Laplace of e to the power at into cos hbt equal to, here in both numerator and denominator s is present, so we'll write s minus a by s minus a whole square minus b square. Okay, so these are the formula for shifting formula. Clear? So let us do some example. Example, find the Laplace transform of e to the power minus 3t whole into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. So let us start. Laplace transform means we have to write L and within these curly braces. Then Laplace of, we will separate it, Laplace of e to the minus 3t into 2 cos 5t minus Laplace will enter by using the linearity property. So Laplace of e to the minus 3t, 3 into sin 5t, and 2 keeping outside, Laplace of rest thing I am writing minus 3 keeping outside, Laplace of e to the minus 3t sin 5t. Cos 5t we know s by s square plus 5 square, s will be written as minus 3, means s minus of minus 3, that will be s plus 3. So s plus 3 by s plus 3 whole square plus 5 square minus 3 into 5 by s plus 3 whole square plus 5 square equals to, then this is the simplification.